All right, so we're on a house that's built in 1895. Didn't really stop using the cast iron. I thought it was a lot earlier, but in 1980s they really kind of got away from cast iron. And so if you have cast iron, doesn't mean it doesn't function, but you might consider that with time the bottom starts rotting out like so. And even though it looks like not a big deal, it looks like it's okay, black even, but just because it looks that good doesn't mean that it's actually doing good on the bottom side where the water might have been staying. So that's something that I've learned, that if there's a problem, that you might want to check the bottom of the cast iron pipes. This one was leaking really bad right there, just past what would be a rock foundation. So this house was added onto, and every time they did, it did a rock foundation, and this was just past the rock foundation. Nobody ever knew that it wasn't coming out on the other side until we got to looking at other damage and noticed that the pipe wasn't getting any water through it. There was actually a broken area on that pipe, and we were there to fix termite damage, but there was no water coming from, so it was actually running water for the termites to live on, because they like water, they need water. So that actually helped them to do their job, which is still to survive just like everybody else. Anyway, keep an eye on those cast iron pipes. Even though they look okay on the top, may not look good on the bottom.